you have to shade the upper part of the line in a lighter shade, and you have to shade the lower part of the line in a darker shade. And this is what will create that optical illusion on a two-dimensional surface. Right? And there's actually three values here. Values is a language that's prevalent among teenagers. Sometimes you'll meet someone with manic episode and you'll wonder why they're so childish. Why is he so childish? Why does he act like a child? It's a fascinating form of rhetoric because manics recede back to this sort of correlation between adolescence and impulsivity, which you find, studies have shown you find far more.
440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound.